Hi there, this is Savewith Crypto. Okay, so a lot of people have asked me for some videos about trading on ByBit, in particular trading on ByBit with leverage. Now, I'm not going to give kind of signals or like strategies that you can copy exactly or trades that you can copy, because I don't want you turning around and blaming me when you've lost all your money, because trading is a little bit tricky. It's not that easy. It's something you really have to practice at. And I'd strongly suggest for everybody is use the testnets. I think if you go to testnet.bybit.com, you can set up a testnet account where you're using pretend money. And that's what I did. I did that for 3 months. I actually did it on Femex. If you want to do that, it's testnet.femex.com. I did that for about 3 months before even thinking about using real money. So I'd strongly suggest that you do that. Now, most YouTubers would send you to their affiliate link, and they'd merrily take the commission and then not really care about what happens to you after that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave an affiliate link for ByBit, but it's not actually mine. It belongs to Andy from ProfitSniper.co. Now, this is a paid group. It's a paid Discord group. However, there is a free Discord group called Profit Sniper Scalping Group, I think it's called. And if you join that and you send Andy, the main man, if you send him your UID from when you sign up to ByBit, like there's mine, for example, if you send him that UID, then it will give you access to some indicators. Now, that includes things like this one here. This is called the Profit Sniper Super Sniper version 3. And this gives you ideas about sort of like, entries that you could use. So, for example, this eGold one, you'd have a long entry at 194, stop loss at 192, and then you take profits here. Can be very useful. But to me, I think that's an advantage over anybody else's affiliate link, so I would use that. If you do decide to join Profit Sniper, I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. But when you get there, do tell Andy that I sent you, and Andy will be nice to me. Okay, so I just want to show you around ByBit just very briefly. I'm not going to go into all these things like the buy fine, the NFT and stuff like that, but basically just sign up for the account. You don't actually have to provide any kind of details at all. You can use whatever name you like. My one here is SWC, Savewith Crypto, Profit Sniper. The only disadvantage of not doing the full KYC, providing your passport and all that kind of stuff, is your withdrawal limit is a bit limited, but I still think it's big. It's something like 0.5 of a Bitcoin or something like that. And also some of the airdrops they do, like they did a drop for the BitDAO token a little while ago, but only people with the KYC were allowed to receive that airdrop. So it's something, do it if you want, or don't if you don't want to. Okay, so once you've got your account, all I really use are the spot trades here and the derivative trades here. So with the spot trades, what you're doing, you're actually buying the assets. So you've got your USD tether, and you're buying various things, and then you can buy and sell them, and try and make a bit of money that way. Derivatives is where, for example, if you're doing the BTC USDT one, you're trading Bitcoin, but you're actually trading derivatives of Bitcoin, and that will be settled in USDT. The one I like to use for Bitcoin is the inverse perpetual BTC USD. So what that actually is, you're basically trading derivatives of BTC against the US dollar, but the actual account is settled in BTC. So if you're doing a long, for example, and the price goes up, you end up with more BTC than you started with. You don't end up with USD, because I don't care about USD. I just want more and more BTC. If you want to do stuff like eGold trading, your only option is to do USDT EGLD as a derivative if you want to use leverage, or if you want to do a straight spot trade, you can do USDT EGLD as a spot pair. So in that case, you're actually buying the asset. So the only other thing you need to know really is about funding your account. You've basically got two main accounts. You've got your spot account and your derivatives account. So in your spot account, Okay, so I've got some bit, right, which I'm actually not in a trade at the moment. So basically, if you had some of this stuff and you wanted to, deposit more, just go to deposit, use the QR code to deposit. If you want to deposit Caster, I didn't actually buy Caster, by the way. This was one of the airdrops, and then you got your QR code there as well. So that's how you do the depositing. When you do deposits into your derivatives account, it's the same kind of thing as well. So say you were depositing Bitcoin, you go deposit, and you'd see the QR code there where you can deposit stuff into there. And if you want to move it around, so say like my Bitcoin, say some of that I wanted to move to the spot account, you can just do that by that from the derivatives to the spot, and you could go all of it. I'm not going to do that, but you can do that if you want. And that's basically how you fund your account. And then once you've got it funded, if, say, for example, I wanted to trade, what do I want to trade? So I wanted to trade, let's say I wanted to trade USDT versus EGLD on leverage. I'd come to derivatives. You'd see that in the USDT perpetual, and it's here somewhere. Or you can just go up here and search. So you've got the choices of the spot trading or the perpetual. So if you wanted the USDT perpetual, you could just do that, and then you're into the trading platform, which is pretty much the same as most trading platforms. And in the next video, I'll show you how to set up a trade. Anyway, that's that for this one. So thanks very much for watching. To give the video a like, make sure you're subscribed, tick the notification bell, tick the all as well, and above all, tell your friends.